Right, there's a, a nice video or a nice question where they've asked you to factor this expression. Okay, it has an x squared at the start, but there's an x to the fourth in it. So really I should rewrite this in the proper descending order. So x to the fourth, x squared, and a number. Now, if it's in that format, even though it's an x to the fourth, and usually if we had an x squared minus 13x plus 36, we're more comfortable solving that or factoring that. But even if it's x fourth, you can follow the same kind of pattern. Like x squared, I split into x and x. 36, I'd split into 9 and 4. Since this sign is positive, both signs have to be the same. Since this is negative, they're both negative. So that's how I would factor this one. This one, same thing. I'm going to split the x to the fourth into x squared and x squared. Two things that multiply to 36, and the same numbers have to add to a negative 13. So it's a negative 9 and negative 4. So negative 9 and negative 4. Now at this point I'm feeling pretty cocky, feeling like I've got it. But when I take a look at this expression, that's a difference of squares. So is that. So to completely factor, I should continue that. X squared minus 9 is the same as x minus 3 and x plus 3. And then x squared minus 4, same thing as x minus 2, x plus 2. Okay, so that would be the complete factorization of that one.